name is Divakar. I am studying 5th standard. PP School D. Tamandrapalli.
My name is Sudaya. I am studying 5th standard. PUP School D. Tamandrapalli.
My name is Karan. I study in 4th standard.
My name is Karthik. I am studying in 5th standard. PUP School D. Tamandrapalli.
We are going to prepare fruit salad. Ingredients for orange, pomegranate, apple, banana, honey, sugar.
Sugar सुनी टेस्ट कर तो मेरा टेस्ट सड़ा
Jangan.